Hi everyone! Welcome to my unboxing and review of the Contour Memory Foam Pillow. You can get this product on Amazon for about $50. Check out the link in the description. The pillow comes with a user manual and two different pillowcases. The user manual shows the product features and the best ways to use the pillow. The memory foam is soft and feels very comfortable. The front side of the pillow is suitable for back sleepers and side sleepers, and the back side of the pillow is for stomach sleepers. The pillow came with two different pillowcases. They both feel very nice. I tested the pillow for about a week and I think it's a very nice product. It's very comfortable and it is good for relieving neck and shoulder pain. So if you are looking for a comfortable pillow which is suitable for back sleepers, side sleepers and stomach sleepers and has an ergonomic design and can help you with neck pain and shoulder pain, I would recommend the Contour Memory Foam Pillow. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.